Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to find your search history on Facebook. Whether you're looking to revisit something you searched for or simply want to manage your activity, this guide will make it easy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, log into your profile if you haven't already. Next, look for the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. You'll find this in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the menu. Now scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and from the expanded menu, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down to find the section called Your Activity. Under this section, tap on Activity Log. This is where all of your Facebook activity is stored. In the Activity Log, you'll see various categories of activities. Look for and select Search History from the list of options. This will display all of your past searches on Facebook. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your Facebook search history. From here, you can review your searches or manage them as needed. If you'd like to clear specific searches, or even your entire search history, there are options available within this section. Thank you for following along. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need it. See you next time.